Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to share with you this delicious iced latte recipe. I'm so happy with how this turned out because it's frothy and creamy. It tastes almost like a coffee milkshake, which is even better. So grab your favorite espresso and let's get started. Here I'm using an IKEA milk frother, which took about 2 minutes, but you could use a hand blender which would work faster. The mixture is quite sweet and good enough for 2 portions, but I decided to use all of it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Leave a comment down below if you tried and liked it. Have a look at the other recipe videos. We post new recipes every week, so I'll see you next time. Happy Sunday!